to the wind, but there's nothing to be done about it. I don't have my microphone ready. I just wanted to share this experience. I thought I recorded it this morning, but I forgot to flip my phone on my chest cam, so it was vertical. Anyway, it was just a lot of me huffing and puffing and saying, Jesus fucking Christ, because we had a big snowstorm. What do we have? A bomb cyclone, a thunder snow. We had blowing snow. So everything is really nutty. And it's very, very hard. Oh shit, not again. To get from A to B. So, whew, this morning, we couldn't even get, we couldn't even get in the barn. I mean, it's just absolutely crazy. Oh, look, the moon. Okay. And a whole lot of cold piggies. Hi, piggies. Hi, dogs. Hi, dog. Hi, goats. Hi, everybody. Woo. Oh, I know, you guys. Hi. I need to come get your bowls. Oh, shit. So, yeah. Morning chores. Instead of taking 45 minutes, it took 2 hours. We had to do a lot of melting of metal to get into the goose house, to get into the barn. I mean, you know, heating it up with hot water, not actually melting the metal, melting the ice on metal accoutrement. Hi, everybody. And it's just really, really hard to walk, which is, I guess it's kind of funny. I don't know. Oh, Jesus. So, I am sharing this with you. Now, who is doing that pathetic crying? Who is doing that? Who? Is that Tinkerbell? I bet it is. Oh. Okay, let's see. 1, 2, 3. That one has poo-poo. And there's no, like, option to wash the tubs. We can't even find half the fucking tubs. I had to take out 3 new ones that have the label frozen into them. So we haven't even washed them yet. But there's no washing to be done. I don't know. I think we should skip it today.
All right.
Everything's too hard.
Yeah, okay.
Okay. Do you want to feed them and I'll do that? Or do you want to water and I'll just feed them? Yeah, you do water.
Okay.
Water and hay. And I'll do feed. All right. Yummy. Wow. This is where we've been supplementing the pig's feed with a little alfalfa for their health and their fat bellies and their seemingly lacking in B vitamins. But it makes it look like a lot more food. And they don't really care for the alfalfa very much. I guess it's not as exciting as corn or oatmeal, whatever the fuck is in this feed. I mean, I guess I could read, but anyway, let's see. I'm gonna make sure you can see this as it happens. I don't know if that's good or not. Big, big, big! Oh, Petunia, you're so cute. Big, big, big! Ooh. Oh, big, big, big! And here is some for you. Oh, Ferguson, you're such a pig. Oh. At some point, there's so many bulls out that everybody's bound to stop moving around, searching for greener pastures, as it were. Ugh. Ugh. Oh, okay. I'll move the camera in a second. Hey, you guys are leaving lots of bowls. You guys are a bunch of dummies. All right. There you have it. Okay. All right. So now I'm gonna get. What?
You didn't do something with Duke's water, did you?
No. Maybe it got buried with the wind. Everything was buried last night, but this morning we uncovered what we could. It's just nuts. Look at this. That's what 100 kilometer an hour, big difference, did. Our sink fell apart and, whatever. We'll fix it. I'm just glad that the goat shelter stayed in place because it's pretty flimsy and we really want to change that. It's just tricky because we want their shelter to be mobile. And I guess we just need to resign ourselves to we're always going to winter over here. So it's okay to put two heavy, wooden shelters because they're going to winter over here. And, eventually we'll have the fence set up so they can go into the forest from here. But easier for us if we always have them wintering here and their shelter is over here. Because then they can eat over here. I don't know if that's enough. That's barely enough. Anyway, it's just something we have to go over. I think we're going to look at the holistic management test questions and kind of put it to the test. Poor geese might even be able to eat this shit when I give it to them. Oh! Because the water freezes so fast. It's really cold. I think it's negative 15. I don't know. I'm just going to put some grain on top of this. I don't know what else to do. Poor babies. At least they have a lot of hay that they can eat today. And anyway, so the goat shelter stayed. It didn't succumb to the wind, knock on wood. We're still pretty windy, but I think the worst of it's done for now. And the greenhouse is still standing, which I'm so grateful for. I mean, the winds last night were so bad that the wood stove was blowing. It would just go out, and then the smoke would blow into the house, even if you closed the flue. And then it would just, reignite and keep going till we got it hot enough. And then it's still a little scary to the point where I fucking let it go out and use the oil furnace while we slept, because otherwise I was too afraid of carbon monoxide poisoning. So, okay, that is that. It's hog feed for the morning. Got to split that into 2 buckets. Easier to carry. It's gotta go home. It's easier to mix when you do it in smaller quantities. Oh shit, that's the chicken thing. One of these belongs to the chickens. That one. Exciting. Anyway, this video has become super boring. I'll just do another one and maybe put them together. Oh yeah, and so it snowed in the barn on our pile of feed bags and everything else. There's our high tensile wire for the fence.